Hi, everybody. We are actually going to be reading the very last chapter of Creepy Crawly Caterpillars. We have really learned about a lot of different kinds of caterpillars in this book, haven't we? The last chapter, chapter 14, is about the Saddleback caterpillar. And look at this. Isn't that the coolest looking thing? I've definitely never seen a caterpillar that looked like that. Have you? Saddleback caterpillar. If you're ever picking pawpaws, keep an eye out for this wild looking caterpillar that may be feeding on that banana-like fruit. You might also see it on an apple, cherry, or oak tree, or even in a cornfield or a rose bed. It's hard to tell if a saddleback caterpillar is coming or going because it can pull its small head back into its body the same way a turtle does. That's pretty cool. And both ends look very much alike with matched pairs of poisonous horns. Oof. Saddlebacks have no legs. Instead, they move on paired ridges that work like suction cups, allowing the caterpillar to keep a tight hold on branches and leaves. Some people call this a nettle caterpillar because its stiff hairs remind them of a prickly nettle plant. Whatever you call it, don't pick it up. Just brushing against its poisonous horns and bristly hairs can give you a painful sting. Oof. Its poison and its markings protect it from being eaten. One taste is actually enough to teach birds to avoid this purplish brown caterpillar with the brown saddle smack in the center of its bright green back. There are almost 1,000 species of slug-like caterpillars. Most of them live in tropical countries. Of the 40 species in North America, the saddleback is the one people remember because it is so colorful. But its parents are not. The small saddleback caterpillar moth goes almost unnoticed because it flies at night and its dull brown wings blend into tree bark where the female lays her eggs. After the caterpillar has eaten all summer, it spins a hard-shelled round cocoon of dark brown silk where the pupa spends the winter. In spring, the moth pushes aside a lid that was built in the cocoon and crawls out to start a new batch of saddleback caterpillars. Let's take another look. Now that you've heard about it, you can take a good close look at the picture. Such an interesting looking one, isn't it? And this is a picture of white oak leaves. Here's leaves of the pawpaw. These are leaves of black cherry. You see it there? And there is the moth. Look at that. Compare this moth to the colorful caterpillar. I sure can see what they were saying, that this will hardly get noticed compared to this. And again, this is the saddleback caterpillar, the very last one that we're going to read about in Creepy Crawly Caterpillars. I hope you've all enjoyed learning about all these different caterpillars. Bye-bye.